Alright, so this one next. Times 2, nothing. 2 times. Chicken, hot ramen.
So this is hotter than the 2 times?
No, this is the 2 times.
This is 2 times.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's not the same like brand or company. It's like
So this is hotter than the black one, and supposed to be hotter than the mala, right?
the mala, yeah,
Yeah.
but maybe not hotter than the volcano.
Alright,
We
guys.
don't know. We don't know what's hotter than the volcano.
Okay.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a different kind of spice.
This one tastes a
I
lot
feel like
better.
it's not as hot already because of the first one. The first one was alright. Let's keep it up.
Oh yeah, I mean it's a late kicker.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's good. Thank you.
Oh. Mm-hmm. This one is for sure hotter.
It hits
Is
after
it?
though.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it hits slower.
It doesn't hit right away like when you eat it.
It hasn't hit me yet.
Tasty. Shit.
Okay. How can I do it? Did you drink it? You drank the rest?
Am I supposed to?
I was going to.
I don't think I'm gonna drink it. Cause my lips are burning.
Yeah, I feel the burn.
Yeah. This one's hotter for sure. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Mhm.
Oh.
You guys fucked up.
It's good.
No, it's not good.
Oh.
Oh, is this yours?
It's hot. Oh yeah, this is way hotter than the first one.
Oh fuck. Boy, you think I'd do it?
No, you gave it like you gave up. We got the mala coming.
You guys hit all 3.